Welcome back to Runway Revealed. This is episode 19 of our Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 Career Mode 0 to Hero. Today's a milestone. We've been grinding hard through missions to reach this goal. We've finally saved 2.4 million credits to buy our first turboprop cargo aircraft, the Cessna 208B Grand Caravan. Just like when we bought the Cessna 172, head to Aircraft Shop, Used Aircraft, here it is for 2,418,000 credits. A few maintenance issues, but no big deal. We'll make it all back flying medium cargo missions. Next, I'm grabbing premium insurance, always the smart move for new aircraft types. Delivery location. I picked TF Green Airport, Rhode Island to keep our fleet close. Let's confirm. And boom, we now own a Cessna Grand Caravan.
Now you own more than one aircraft. You could consider hiring additional crew members to operate them. After all, you can only fly one aircraft at a time yourself. Hiring crew to fly your other aircraft will allow your company to bring in income even when you're not in the pilot seat yourself. However, you still need to monitor every aircraft for wear and tear.
Now let's activate AI Crew, so even while we're sleeping, this aircraft keeps flying and earning us passive income. This is a huge step. More cargo, more income, more challenge. Next episode, we unlock the jet engine rating certification and take our flight career to the next level. If this journey has you inspired, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. We've got plenty more to deliver. This is Runway Revealed. See you in the next episode.